Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today is the finale of our summer series collaboration with Smoking and Grilling with AB. As a thank you and a token of my appreciation for your continued support, I will be giving away an Instant Pot. This is what you have to do to win. You must be subscribed to both Soul Food Cooking and Smoking and Grilling with AB. You must live or have a shipping address within the United States. You must leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and if you are the chosen winner, you must claim your prize by contacting us at the email address provided in the description within 7 days. So after watching this video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB, not only to see what he's cooking up for Soul Food Sunday, but also for another chance to win a great prize. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today I'll be making red velvet cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 5 cups of cake flour, 3 cups of sugar, 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 cup of butter, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2.25 ounce bottles of red food coloring, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For your frosting, you'll need 1.5 cups of confectioner's sugar, 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, and 2 8-ounce packages of mascarpone cheese. In a large bowl, sift your flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Using a stand or handheld mixer, cream together your butter and sugar. Now slowly add your eggs. Add the vanilla and buttermilk and continue to mix. Now slowly add your flour mixture. Carefully pour in the red food coloring, then continue mixing until it is well combined. Add the vinegar to the baking soda, then fold it into the batter. It is this step that makes your cakes light and airy. Immediately transfer your batter to your baking pans. Then place them in your preheated oven. Allow your cakes to bake for 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After 25 minutes, remove them from the oven and place them on a wire rack to cool. After your cakes have completely cooled, remove them from the pan, then return them to the wire rack. Now it is time to level our cakes. Using a knife or a cake saw, remove the unleveled portion from the top of your cake. Now set the tops aside until later. Now we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. Cream together your mascarpone cheese and cream cheese. Now add the vanilla extract. Now slowly add your sifted confectioner's sugar. Slowly pour in the heavy whipping cream and continue to mix until stiff peaks are formed. Be careful not to overmix, or your icing will turn into a great tasting butter. Add your cake tops to a food processor and pulse until a fine crumb is formed. Now it's time to assemble and decorate your cake as you wish. This is how I decorated mine. This red velvet cake has become one of my family's favorites. I hope your family will enjoy it just as much. Good luck in the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab